Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix when keep updating on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. Go to First of all just click and hold side power button and volume up button, restart phone, and after restart phone click on OK. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library. Scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset option. After click on Reset option, click on Reset All Settings. After click on Reset All Settings, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on Settings app. Click on Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix when keep updating on Edge 20, Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.